Alright, so that'll go in alright. That'll reach beautifully. It's just that that's slightly too big for this. So we're just going to drill this out here, and then we're going to refit it all back together. So I think this is, what was this, 11, what? 32, something? I don't know.
Something like that.
Something weird imperial measurement, and yeah, we'll just give that a whip. Alright. That's it, that'll do it. Oh, beautiful.
Go.
Alright, so that just should slot in there, slot in there, and that's it.
Where are those things? There you go.
Set now. Some lugger-duggers on that. I think that'll do for the moment. That'll let's just get the front brakes working.
Yeah.
You can order probably a handle or pick one up off another power after or something from somewhere else.
Does that actually let the front brakes work better?
Let's find out. What do you reckon? Is that
Turn
working?
springs are working.
Is that working?
Let's give it a shot. Let's try and move it. Move it.
Do you want? Well, it's sitting on this, so it's not going to roll too easy. But
Oh,
it's definitely
right.
grabbing, and it's got solid. Okay, so look at this one though. This one's like, this one's not even moving.
Stretch cable or something?
That's why I'll bet it was broken, because they kept having to use the brakes. Stretch cable? No, I don't think it's that, mate. I think it's quite literally. This is just isn't moving, so it's all we seized up in here. Well, that's okay. We can drop some.
Yeah, well, it is quite.
We can drop some WD-40 down there or something and see how that lands. But I think it'll be. I mean, this one's moving just fine, and it's actually like locking up quite hard.
Yeah. Do you want me to try rotate it?
Nah, that'll be okay. It'll be okay for the moment. We're just trying to get it up and running.
Right.
I'm not trying to reinvent the wheel here.
Yep.
All right, next. Okay, so this is the junction. Oh, that hasn't never been opened. Look at that. This is the junction box for the front brakes. So you see that one there is not pulling up.
Yep.
See that?
Problem.
Yeah, it just means that it's stuck. So I'm going to shoot some WD-40 down here. We'll free that up. Hopefully something that comes good. But yeah, you can see there's a lot of travel allowing there. So yeah, I'll shoot some WD-40 on it, put this back together. Hopefully that frees up.
A few moments later.
Alright, welcome back. Hado's been super busy getting this apart. He's got the engine mounts off. He's got it unbolted. Can you see back there? He's got the tail shaft unbolted from the gearbox there. We've got the carby off as well. We're going to get ahead. We're going to pull this out, and then we're going to double check on the condition of this, and then I'm going to probably give it a quick wire brush and a quick paint. So yeah, let's hop to it. can just go around. Just watch those fingers, please. Okay, just rest it there, rest it here so you can get around. Alright, come on around. Come on. Come on, okay. Come on. Yeah, just can't do the lines properly. Hold it, please. I am holding it. Governor. Hang on. Back up. Okay. You just come around, please. Yeah. Ready? You got it? Not yet, Nick. Oh, move it down. Yeah. It's a big motor, isn't it? Yes, it is. In fact, that's actually bigger than that. Oh, because it's got the shaft. Okay. Okay, that's really good. Frame actually looks okay. It's pretty sturdy. Yeah, there's no rust in it at all. Surface rust. All surface rust, isn't it? Yeah. Except for this. Alright, so it's out. So it's looking really good here. All in really good condition. Nothing's broken, nothing's sort of shit or anything. It's pretty grubby as you can see. The frame's also really good. There's no rust at any sort of key junctions or anything like that. All the mounts are... Oh, let me just refocus that for you. A few mounts. Even the shock mounts are pretty good as well. So... yeah, it actually looks okay. So just a good wire brushing, it'll come up all right. Yeah. Now the fun begins and the reassembly, which will be great.